Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Subnautica 2. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find silver in the game if you're gotten a little bit stuck. So, if you're in your life pod at the start of the game, and you look up at the giant, megalithic tree growth here towards the northeast, we're going to head sort of toward the northeast north. Let's pop down in the water. I'm going to just run this without using any of my fancy gadgets to show you it's easy to get to without dying. All you got to do is go past this crashed wreckage over here. And past it is that, angel bulb tree that gives you one of your body augments, one of your adaptations. What we're looking for is just on the other side of this structure. So once you get past here, you're going to start to get harassed by some almost like shark dolphin looking critters that bite at you. They don't really do a lot of damage, but what we're looking to do here is we're looking to come down below this wreckage to the right. There's this rift, or this little canyon over here. And inside of here is a little waterway that's going along. A little, whatever you want to call that, a flow. We're going to grab this air, and we're looking for this little hidden cavern here. There are similar caverns all over the place here, but this one is a little bit safer than the rest. Because when you come in here to the right, you'll find this pool. And then through the rest, you want to find these caverns with these lovely greenish purple growths on the wall. This is where the silver is going to hide. It's all over the cave-like ceiling with the copper. There's titanium in here too. You'll find it up on the walls. Here's a slab of it. Is that silver? No, it's titanium. There should be some. I've already kind of picked this place clean. But if you go down here, there's also some more way back in here. In this even deeper cavern. And what silver looks like is it looks like these little deposits here. They almost look like little pyramids. You can grab those. And they also come in larger clusters. If you start to run out of oxygen, you can just pop back down over here. Using your augment sprint, you can come back up to this little pocket of oxygen here, which is why I recommended this place. And then when you're done, you can just head back out through here where this current is. You can just swim up and you can get out of here really quickly. Back to your base or to the life pod, wherever you have started to build all of your stuff. And that's about it. That's how you find silver. It's really easy to find. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.